Hi everyone, in this video, we will be showing you the process of making our instructional material, the Big Book. This IM aims to make learning more engaging and interactive for students. So, join us as we take you through each step of how we created the Big Book. Here are the materials we used in creating Big Book. First, we have cartoon or illustration board. They serve as the main base or pages of the Big Book, giving it strength and durability. Next up, we have printed pictures. These are the visuals or illustrations that help capture students' attention and support storytelling. Next up, we have Manila paper, used to cover and give a clean, smooth finish to each page of the Big Book. Next, we have glue and stick glue, used to attach printed pictures and manila paper securely. Next up, we have scissors and blade for cutting the cartoon, pictures, and other materials accurately. Next up, we have double-sided tape, helpful for attaching parts that need to stick firmly or to create pop-up elements. Next up, we have small pieces of cartoon used for the pop-up parts to add a 3D effect on some pages. Next up, we have binder rings used to bind the pages together, allowing the Big Book to open and close easily. And lastly, we have nails used for punching holes in the Big Book before inserting the binder rings. Step 1. Cutting materials. First, we start by cutting the cartoon and the printed pictures according to the desired size of each page. This will serve as the base for our Big Book and the illustrations that will go with the story. Make sure the edges are cleaned and even.
Say hi.
Hi, Ma'am. Hi, Ma'am.
Step 2. Attaching pictures. Next, we glue the printed pictures onto the cardboard. This will make the pages sturdy and visually appealing. You can use stick glue or double-sided tape to ensure they are firmly attached and free from wrinkles. Step 3. Creating pop-up pictures. After that, we cut small pieces of cartoon to create pop-up effects. This makes the Big Book more interactive and fun for learners. We then attach the small cartoons behind the pictures using glue or tape. Step 4. Finalizing pages. Once all pictures and pop-up elements are placed, we finalize the sizes of each page and cover the cartoon with manila paper. Step 5. Binding the pages. Next, we punch holes alongside of each page using the nails. Then, we insert the binder rings to hold the pages together. This allows the book to flip easily and stay organized. And here's our finished Big Book. Making this IM took patience, creativity, and teamwork. Throughout the process, we learned how to combine the visual design with teaching purpose, creating a material that not only looks good but also helps students to learn better. Here are the expenses used for the Big Book.